What's up guys, Truck Palmer here. In this video, I will show you how to remove and install the front bumper on this 2014 Honda Accord Coupe. The process will be similar for other Honda Accord Honda vehicles, so you can follow these steps. You will need a clip removal tool, a screwdriver and a 10mm socket. That's it. The first step is to remove 4 bumper clips that are on the top right here, 2 here to the side and 2 right here at the front. Now it's time to remove 2 screws from the wheel liner right here. To access these screws, turn on the vehicle and move the wheel to the right for the right side and to the left for the left side. I will use an impact driver here to speed up the process. The screws are out. Now I can go to the other side. I will also need to turn the wheel inwards to access these screws. The screws are out. Now it's time to remove some clips under the vehicle which holds the bumper in place. I will need to raise the car a little to get under the vehicle. There is a splash guard here that is attached to the bumper and this is held in place by clips. Remove the clips down here that is attached to the frame of the car. I'll just take my time and remove each clip. It is nice to have a metal type clip removal tool like this one. Just place it in the space right here and pry the clip out. I will take my time to remove these clips. All I need to do is to pull the bumper off the vehicle. There are some clips holding it in place. Now I can pull the bumper off the vehicle. The final thing to do to remove this bumper is to unplug the fog light connectors. That's one. And this is the other one over here. Now I can reinstall the bumper. To reinstall the bumper, first reconnect the electrical plugs for the fog lights. There is one on the left and one on the right. Now I can lift the bumper in place and then hold it here with one clip. Now I can let it go and move to the other side. This is pretty much the easy part of the job. I just need to align the bumper with the headlight right here and push the bumper in place. It will snap right in place. There are some clips holding this here. Ensure that the 2 sides are snapped right in. Now I can reinstall the 2 screws for the wheel liner right here. And there are also 2 screws to be installed on the other side. Remember to turn the wheel inwards for easy access. All that is left to do right now is to install the bumper clips under the vehicle. Some of your clips might be damaged, so it's always good to have a clip set like this. You can buy these on Amazon. So I will take my time and reinstall the clips under the car and this job is pretty much done. That's it guys. That is how you remove and install a bumper on a 2014 Honda Accord Coupe. It will also be similar for many other years and model. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. But before you go, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one guys.